How to sign up on Forex. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser and search for forex.com. Then on this website, you want to click on Open an Account option. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to this page. Now, the first step is to enter your account information. Select your country or region, and then you will have to enter your email address. Then enter your username and then create a strong password. After that, enter your title, your first name, your last name, then enter your date of birth, and then enter your phone number. Then click on Save and Continue. You will be sent a verification email. After the verification, the next step is to enter some personal information. For the third step, you will have to share your trading experience. And then finally, on the fourth step, you can finish setting up your account. And then after all the process has been completed, your new account will be created. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.